dark mode, HiDPI display support, AI features, and much more. Hello, my name is Winter Iceheart and I'm excited to walk you through the awesome new features of Live2D Cubism 5.0. Let's skip the long introductions and dive right into the epic interface changes. In version 5.0, Live2D Cubism brings a much anticipated feature to the table, the dark mode. You can easily activate it. What? No, not like this. Oh, wait, what? How? Oh, never mind. To activate it, simply navigate to the File menu in Environment Settings. Once you've selected Color VM, you'll be prompted to restart the program. Changes to the Color VM take effect after restarting.
Hi, honey.
Oh, hi.
Honey?
Hello. After the restart, your workspace will be bathed in a soothing, dark interface. Additionally, some other settings that were previously located in Settings, such as changing the background color, have been moved here. Mesh line thickness and color, along with deformer colors, are also now found here, rather than in the Tool Details palette as they were in version 4.2. Personally, I found the dark mode to be both well crafted and visually appealing, but most importantly, it's gently on the eyes. Working in well-lit conditions, I must admit that the light mode is just as pleasant for me as the dark mode, so for now, I remain undecided on whether I'll make the full switch. Speaking of UI improvements, one thing that really made my day is the HiDPI display support. You see, my laptop screen has a resolution of 2560 by 1600, and with Cubism 4.2 it used to look like this. Small fonts, teeny tiny icons. It didn't severely impact my work, but whenever I was planning to create a new video, I had to lower the resolution and scale up to ensure a comfortable viewing experience for you, my beloved viewers. Today, with the same resolution, the program looks so much better. Everything from icons to fonts, a Switch Pixel font to Arial, and those handy settings windows is now perfectly scaled and high-res. It's an absolute joy to work with. Kudos to the developers for this one, they've really hit the mark. I couldn't be happier. And I'm keeping my fingers crossed that this will lead to even better video quality. Now there's a cool addition in the Workspace menu, the ability to create and save custom workspaces. Let's go to Window menu, Workspace and Workspace settings. Here just click on Add button and you can name your new custom workspace. For example, Custom Super Amazing Mega Custom Giga Sigma Workspace. And click OK. And here you can see a Custom Super Amazing Mega Custom Giga Sigma Workspace. I haven't quite figured out how to make separate windows for palettes yet, but it seems you can do it by dragging the palette to a border or even outside the program window. It'd be nice if you could create a new window just by moving the tab to a specific area. I find this feature quite handy, but there are a couple of things I've noticed. You still can't swap tabs within a single panel. It requires a few extra steps. And when it comes to separate windows, you can't maximize them to a full screen. I managed it by stretching them like this. There are just a couple of minor quirks I've come across while diving into the new version. Let's shift our focus from the user interface to the exciting new features in model rigging. Developers have improved the accuracy of automatic mesh generation. What's new is that there is an extra setting now. We have vertices interval outside and vertices interval inside, instead of vertices space in pixel. I'm thinking of creating a separate video or shorts to dive deeper into these settings, so don't forget to subscribe! A friendly reminder to stay tuned. The developers themselves describe the improvement as follows. Long, thin art mesh such as eyebrows can now be meshed evenly, creating the ideal shape in an instant. The density of the outer and inner art mesh can also be easily adjusted, improving productivity. I give it a go, and I must say it genuinely works better. Take a peek at how it used to be in version 4.2 and now in version 5.0. See how beautifully it generates the mesh. Now let's dive into something really exciting and brand new, the use of AI in model rigging. For some reason I hadn't even considered the use of AI before. Let's see what it can do. I cleaned everything up, removed all the unnecessary objects, deformers and keyforms with parameters, leaving just the head and neck with their meshes. We go into the burger, find auto generation of face motion and click on generate face deformer. Oh wait, we need to create folders for each side's organs. No worries, we'll do it right now. Back to a burger and we order
Number 9, a number 9 large.
Sorry, we go to auto generation of face deformer. And nice, he added all the folders here. Let's write some numbers of conversion divisions and click OK. Deformer generated successfully. Please specify each deformer and click the generate motion button to continue. Click OK and go to the next window. It instantly generated deformers for our parts and immediately took us to the generate facial motion section. Here we just need to press these buttons one by one and adjust the head movement the way we like the best. Yes, in this window we configure the movement of the face, eyes, ears, nose along the x-axis and along the y-axis, and then generate movement for the corners. And this is what we get as a result. Excellent face rigging for beginner VTubers. Now let's explore motion sync. What do the developers have to say about it? Well, here's what they say. Enhanced lip sync allows for realistic mouth movements in time with a voice. Mouth movements can also be generated as keyframes on the timeline. Let's take the model K, which they offer for testing the new technology, when we head to motion sync settings, where it asks us to upload a file. I've already got to a file ready, but here's a quick tip. Make sure your WAV file is no more than 16 bits and has a frequency of 44.1 GHz. I didn't catch that at first and couldn't figure out why my file wouldn't upload. It turns out the audio file I had was set at 96 GHz. Great, the file is in. We won't tweak any settings right now because we are simply checking out these cool new features. If you want a more in-depth breakdown of this or any other feature, be sure to let me know in the comments. Here we have mapping settings where we can see and adjust how our mouth will move when we pronounce vowels. In audio elements where a default scale set for each sound. And in the last tab, there is a list of parameters that control the movements. So let's check out the wonderful recording we've got. 今でも青が澄んでいる今でも青は澄んでいるどんな祈りも言葉も近づけるのに届かなかったまるで静かな恋のような頬を伝った夏のような色の中君を呪う言葉がずっと喉の奥に使えてるまた会えるよね声にならない声 Blend shape. Blend shapes are these parameters with square-shaped keyforms. I won't delve into them too much right now because I want to explore this topic in detail in one of the upcoming videos, but I'll tell you about the enhancement. In the new version of Live2D Cubism, blend shapes cover perhaps all possible tools. The table below shows what you can use blend shapes for in version 5.0. You can work with art mesh, warp deformer, rotation deformer, art path, glue, opacity multiply. The developers also mentioned their support and improved performance on Apple M series devices. That's a treat for those who have these high-end gadgets. I don't own one myself, so I can't showcase it, unfortunately. But I hope that the lucky owners of M-series devices are enjoying the improvement. So this is the latest update. Let me know in the comments if you liked it or not and if you enjoyed the video. I hope I won't disappear for more than a month, so make sure to subscribe to the channel. With every new video, the quality just keeps getting better and better. Big thanks to everyone who watched till the end. See you soon, guys! Lonely, loli, loli, kami korin. Kane wa naraseba kono tori. Kore wa kyusai no requiemu. せーの、触ったりたい方が口でてんこ。1、2、3、4。ごめんなさいが聞こえない。粛清ロリカミレクイエム。